Hi guys, so very different view, but I wanted to do a very random, the most random Dollar Tree haul in a parking lot. Yeah, so I am actually out of town. I'm in basically college town, moving my daughter in, and you know I had to go visit Dollar Tree in a different city. So, but I really actually needed to go for some hooks to give to her before I go back to Dallas. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys everything that I got, because I did find some really exciting things. So the first one is going to be like this coloring book. It's really cute. I'm not going to necessarily flip through it, but it's just another one of Dollar Tree's coloring books, and I'm really loving collecting them for some reason. Alright, then I picked up some of this hair color. So the hair color I've picked up before for my daughter, and it's temporary. This one is teal and this one is baby pink, and I just thought it would be fun for her to kind of have on hand for, you know, game day, or I don't know, like whatever. You know, they do parties and all kinds of things, so I picked that up for her. I also picked up some of the Sunbeam batteries with the 3, which I'm not a fan of. They used to sell them in a 4-pack and now it's 3. I don't know why I didn't grab the Panasonic this time, but she needs some batteries. So I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So there you go. And these are like fruits, so watermelon, kiwi. This one's like birthday cake or cupcake, and then this one's strawberry. I think the packaging is really cute. It definitely looks new to me. I picked her up a rain poncho. It's just really small, compact. She can throw this in her backpack. That way she's not having to lug around, you know, an umbrella if rain may be like in and out and sporadic. So I got that, and these are the hooks that I went back for. I already had one, and if you watch all my hauls, then you know, because I was hauling stuff for their dorm room, and we installed one of these and they love it. It works perfectly over the door, but now they need more, like one for her friend, one for her, and then I thought maybe like a third one. So, and these will fit. There 3 hooks can fit. Obviously they can fit, but you know what I'm saying. Then I picked her up some fun little hair accessories, again, just for maybe theme parties or whatnot. I got these fun little hair ties. They remind me of the 80s, because I used to wear stuff like this. And so maybe if she has like an 80s theme, that would be cute. And with that in mind, I also got these little clasps, these little berets. Is that what they call them? Barrettes? Berets. It's not a hat. Barrettes. And then you can see all the different colors that they had to choose from, so I got her a variety. Alright, let's see. Oh, then I found this coaster. This is for home. This Rooster Coaster. It's really cute, but I only found one. So now the challenge is on for me. I have to go find 3 more. I mean, do you do coasters in 4s? I don't know. How many coasters do you buy? But I just love this. It's very Tuscan, and as you know, I'm trying to marry my old style with my new style. And apparently it's a trend. I wasn't trying to be trendy. I just realized kind of what I felt like I was missing. I do love farmhouse, but I don't love all farmhouse. I just don't think that's for me. I need to bring in some warmth and some more colors back in. So anyway, I digress. I picked up some more of these poster letters and numbers. I actually hauled, I think I mentioned in a video I was going to donate them, which I did, but I also want some of my own again, so I got these. These are going to be great for the open wind letters. I picked up, okay, you guys have got to see, well, let's wait for that, I guess. Yeah, so I picked her up a staple remover. We went to Target yesterday, got her a mini stapler, but didn't get her a staple remover. So this is what they had. So that's what I got her. And then I found these little night lights. These are not for her. I'm gonna end up donating these, but I had to share these with you guys because they are the cutest. A long time ago on my channel, I used to be on the hunt for these night lights that had like Cinderella and all the Disney princesses, and I think I got pretty lucky. And I even went on eBay once and people were like upselling them for a lot more than $1. So anyways, I found these cute ones, and the little baby elephant is everything. I may give this one to my niece and maybe they'll use it. But there's a dog and a cat, which I thought was cute. This definitely looks new to me. Then I found some more fun little pens. I feel like there's more to the collection, but just so that you can kind of see, has like fruit little people, like fruit emojis. How cute is that, right? A strawberry and a pineapple. So I love that. Okay, then I found these. I don't know why I grabbed them, but they were just so interesting that I just did. And it is like cake in a mug kind of thing. So I got this one. This one says it's color changing cake, and it's by Duncan Hines, so it's a name brand. So that's really interesting. Probably ended up at Dollar Tree because it didn't sell well. I don't know, I'm just an assumption. Maple brown sugar. You can see you can just put it in a mug and then it can go in the microwave. And then this one is Buttermilk Pancake. And if you've actually tried these and if you think they're delicious, please comment. Let us know what you think. And then I found this cute little succulent. Look how cute that is. Has a flat back. I love the rose gold. I love how simple it is. I'm gonna show it to my daughter, see if she wants it for her dorm room. All right, what is next? Oh, I found some Halloween stuff, so be prepared. Dun, da, da, da. What? Obsessed. Love the patterns on the pumpkins. Love this top one too. Top one's probably my favorite. So that was a great find. And then I found this little skull, which I guess you could put a tea light in here. The eyes they go all the way through, so they're not painted black. It kind of looks like, maybe because I'm wearing glasses, but how cute. Oh, I just now realized I've been hauling with my sunglasses on. So there's that. And then look at this one. I've never seen this concept before, this ceramic style where you could put like a tea light and then I'm sure the flame will or the light, the LED light, will illuminate the little face. And then I found, look at this new storage container. It says Bella storage solution. So it's obviously not Dollar Tree's, it came from somewhere else. And they had like a peachy pink, and then they had, I think, a navy blue. They did not have white from what I saw, but that doesn't mean there wasn't white. So I got this gray one, but look how big it is. Most of Dollar Tree's little bins like this aren't this big. All right, and then last but not least are gonna be all Halloween stuff. I found this tall, thin candle in black, and I love it. I just got one just because I don't really want to travel with too much glass in the car back home, but it's very witchy, so I love that. And then over here I found a bunch of these little jars. Oh my gosh. And I have this in black and I have it in yellow, and then you can see the detail there for $1. I mean, at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, it would not be $1. It might be like $3, but not $1. And then here is the black one. So you can kind of see that. I love the black one. The orange one that I just showed you and the yellow one I'm about to show you are both transparent, but that black one seems pretty solid. So then you can kind of see these together. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. These are definitely new. And that's it. So that's my really random Dollar Tree haul with this view, with like my keys and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back in Dallas. Bye.